Hey, what's up YouTube? This is John from Contention Media and 5 Minute Guide, and today I want to show you one of the best ways to step up your video production and really do some cool stuff with just a phone. Like, not all of us have fancy cameras, and not all of us have all kinds of really cool equipment, and that's okay. You can still record high quality video with your phone, and it's really simple. I mean, there's a couple key things you need. One is obviously your phone. Second thing, something like a tripod to put your phone on. And the third thing is something to attach your phone to the tripod. One of the most important things about recording video is stability. Keeping your video nice and stable. Most of the time, for 99% of your projects, for 99% of your videos, all you're going to need is a camera and something to keep the camera still. And your phone is a really good camera. My big recommendation, this thing right here, $10. You might be able to get it for $8. I recommend this specific one, the Manfrotto thingy thing. I'll put the link in the description. But I recommend this little thing right here because, one, it's made by Manfrotto. It's one of the best tripod and camera support companies on the planet Earth. And it's $10. It's probably the cheapest thing Manfrotto sells, to be honest. And that's kind of crazy. Put it onto your phone and you're done. This one in particular is nice because it has rubber grips and it has 2 quarter 20s on it, one on the bottom, one on the back, and it's pretty legit. So here, let me take the little tripod mount that comes with this tripod, another, relatively inexpensive tripod made by Manfrotto again. Take it, throw it in your tripod, boom. Now you have something that'll hold your phone still. You can adjust it all over the place and legitimately create some really, really cool videos. And it's nice because it's stable, it's still, and you can put it where you want to put it. Move it around, all kinds of stuff. She's beautiful. And there's a cat behind me. Actually, that's a perfect example. Let's go ahead and boom. Want to record the cat doing stupid stuff? Well, she's not actually doing much right now. There we go. Cat doing stupid things. And what makes it really work is the fact that it's stable, it's still, and you can actually see what's going on. Anyway, using a tripod just gives you a billion times more flexibility in post-production and in production, and you could use something as simple as a phone. It's ridiculous. Definitely pick up one of these, and yeah, just that simple. All right. From Contention Media and 5 Minute Guide, this is John. I will see you guys next time.